Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys gesture navigation setting, button navigation setting, how to set up, how to use one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about iqoo mobile gesture settings. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your iqoo mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone system setting. After on phone system setting friends, click here system navigation setting. So friends, you want to use 3 button navigation, so friends click here. And friends, you don't want to use 3 button navigation, you want to use iqoo mobile gesture navigation. So friends, click here gesture navigation setting. Friends, now you can use iqoo mobile gesture navigation setting and you cannot use 3 button navigation. 3 button navigation will remove from screen. And friends, now you can use iqoo mobile gesture settings. Right side, left side, you can use back button. So once you are in setting, right side swipe here and left side you can use back button. And recent appearance you want to check, you want to open, so when hold here and you can check and you can open it. So when hold here and press, you can check your recent app, you can open. And you want to remove your recent app, you can remove one by one. So like that friends, we can use iqoo mobile gesture settings. And once you don't want to use iqoo mobile gesture settings, so once open your phone system setting again. And friends, click here system navigation. And friends, click here 3 button navigation. And friends, gesture settings will remove. And friends, now we have 3 button navigation in iqoo mobile. So friends, you want to use iqoo mobile 3 button navigation setting, you can set 3 button navigation. And friends, you can see the right side if you swipe and left side, so you cannot use back button. And once you want to change your button layout style, so when you can change your 3 button layout style, open your phone system setting. After on system setting friends, click here navigation setting and friends scroll it. Friends, you can change your button layout style, and friends, you want to change your button layout key, so you can change from here. So style friends, you can change from here. And friends, you can see back button is here, you want to change into left side, so friends click here. And friends, you can see back button is left side, and right side friends, we can check recent app and we can close it. And you want to set default style, so friends again click here and friends click here. And friends, now you can use your default style. Right side you can use back button. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.